Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Energy Interiors and Designing. So today's video is about the north facing house plan layout where the plot size is 25 by 45 feet. So before going in design detail, let's discuss the statement of area. So the size of a plot in meters is 7.6 by 13.75 where the area is 104.5 square meters. The total permissible FAR we have is 1:1.25 and the total permissible built up area is 130.625 square meters approximately. So we have achieved the built up area for the ground floor is 61.44 square meters, whereas the built up area for the first floor is 59.6 square meters approximately. So the total built up area that we have got for this plot is 121 square meters. The maximum permissible height for this structure is 12 meters because it's a residential, and permissible MOS in front is 3 meters, whereas on the rear side we have 1.5 meters. Also we have the permissible ground coverage is a 60%. So in this design we have achieved the ground coverage around 59%. So this building is G+2, in which this is the ground floor, this is the first floor, and also we have the terrace floor. So the design of the ground floor starts with the parking on the entrance, with the lawn and with the porch. So the parking is sufficient for the one car, whereas the lawn can be used for the leisure and also for the purpose of the kitchen garden. So this porch has the main entrance of this residential unit, which consists of 4 bedrooms, a hall and a kitchen. So this door walks us to the living area, which is combined with the dining, which gives us the sense of a single space as there is no use of partition in the design. Whereas the wooden partitions can also be given between these two spaces. So this is the kitchen of the residential unit, which has been designed in L shape so that we can get the proper space for the circulation and the movement. So this kitchen has the door which walks us through the wash area, and this wash area can also be used for the kitchen garden and it can also be used for the garden for leisure. The ground floor has also been designed with a master bedroom which consists of 3 spaces, that is the bedroom, toilet and the dress. The size of the bedroom is 3.35 meters by 4.2 meters, whereas the size of the toilet is around 1.5 meters by 2.45 meters. The bedroom, dining and the drawing room space has been designed with the wide-heighted glass windows so that we can get the proper air circulation and the natural light. In the middle of the residential unit, the staircase has been designed, and this staircase takes us to the first floor, which consists of other 3 bedrooms. Also, each bedroom has been designed with the attached toilet. On the first floor, out of the 3 bedrooms, 2 bedrooms have been designed with the balcony. As you can see in the layout, this is the bedroom which is on the north face side. This bedroom has the balcony, and also this bedroom has been designed with the terrace. All the bedrooms in this design are being properly furnished and very well designed with the storage capacity. In the design, to get the good air circulation and the natural light, all the bedrooms have been designed on the wide-heighted glass windows on the first floor. All the toilets are being lavishly designed with the separate bath and the lat facility. So all the bedrooms in the design have been properly furnished with the furniture and also designed with a combination of wardrobes plus the dress. The space under the staircase can be used as the puja ghar or as the puja space, and this space can be designed either by the wooden material or it can also be designed with the MDF material. There is another option to design this staircase, that is, the staircase can also be designed with this outer space. Now in this design we have given 3 bedrooms on the first floor because we have the built up area for the first floor, but for the alternative this bedroom can also be converted into the complete terrace area. There is one more option in this design, that we can design the toilet under the staircase space, and that toilet can be used as the common toilet for the entire residential unit. Lastly, this is the schedule of openings. This is the schedule of openings where we have used the double leaf placed door, which is D in nomenclature, and it has the size of by 2.1 meters. Also, we have used a single leaf flash door, that is D1, and the size of this door is 0.9 by 2.1 meters. Then we have used the single leaf flash door, that is D2, for the toilets and the dress area, that is zero point 0.8 by 2.1 meters. For the windows, we have used the glazed windows of wooden frame, that is W1, which is 2.4 by 1.8 meters. The glazed window of wooden frame, that is W2, is 1.5 by 1.8 meters. W3 has the size of 1.5 by 1.2 meters, whereas the W4 is 0.9 by 1.8 meters. Lastly, the ventilator has the size of 0.6 by 0.6 meters. So this is the complete design of 25 by 45 feet. I hope you like the design, and for more videos and updates, please don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.